This short clip explains how to buy shares of Cnooc and what to check before placing an order. Cnooc is an offshore oil and gas company listed on the HKEX under ticker 0883 HK. This is an educational guide and not investment advice. To buy Cnooc, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and you will need to add funds to trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker 0883 HK to find the listing. Make sure you select the Cnooc entry that shows HKEX as the exchange. On the asset page, check the basic company profile and the price chart to review recent price action. Confirm the name and ticker to ensure this is the correct Cnooc stock. Press Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to spend, then carefully review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, the trade may be queued until trading reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will ask you to add them before confirming. Your new Cnooc position will appear in your portfolio once the order is executed. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to follow these steps.